So this is my Zoom look. If you're running late and you need to get ready super quick, you can totally get this whole look in honestly, under 10 minutes. You can definitely do the makeup in 5. So if you're running late for a meeting, you have a flash interview or something crazy going on, or just even for drinks with the girls, you can definitely get this super quick. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so to get started, we are going to be doing foundation with our fingers. I have tried out this look before, and it's definitely doable in under 5 minutes. But for recording purposes, it might be a little longer. But you can definitely do this super quick. So obviously with clean fingers, I'm just taking foundation, putting it right on my skin. This is the Candid Photoready foundation. It's just kind of like a nice cheap drugstore makeup if you're looking to pick up something new, and it does a pretty good job. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is kind of putting that everywhere, a little bit messy, and then I'm going in with this Age Rewind dark circle corrector. This is like the bright shade, I believe. And I'm going to be going right under my eyes. I'm doing this before I blend the look, just to save myself a bit of time. I'm gonna do my chin and a little on my nose. And then I'm just gonna kind of blend this all out with our fingers. I always find myself, even in quarantine with all the time in the world, running so late for meetings and stuff like that. So I thought this was kind of a useful video. And just kind of taking your fingers and smudging it out. If you had a sponge handy, I honestly would recommend that. But I'm quarantined without my full makeup kit right now. So I'm just kind of making do and working with my fingers for the time being. But you can definitely get this all blended super quick. Even with your hands, I like this foundation a lot for that. I just kind of started playing with it in quarantine, and it definitely does the job. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup and make sure my eyeshadow or my eye primer and all of that doesn't crease. I'm just giving it one more blendy blend with my fingers. Next, I'm going in with the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil powder. And I'm just going in with this It Cosmetics powder brush. It's by Pores something or another. But just whatever powder brush you have, and just kind of, I focus it more on my T-zone and just kind of buff everything in. And set my eyes as well. Next up, we are going to be doing bronzer. So I'm going to be going into a Hoola bronzer for this. Alrighty, so I'm going to be using like a little Too Faced bronzer brush, and I'm just going to be going along my cheekbones like this. I'm just doing like a really quick 3 shape to just kind of, I'm just kind of blending it. I mean, this is just for Zoom. I'm not even going out in public because quarantine, so it doesn't have to look perfect, but just kind of to add some definition to your face. This really kind of helps, especially for being on Zoom calls or something like that. Blend it down your neck just a little. Alrighty. So after that, I kind of just smoothed everything out. I'm actually going to take a little bit, whatever's left here, just go down my nose. Next, I'm going to be just taking an angled eyeshadow brush, kind of looks like this. And I'm going to be going into that same Hoola bronzer. And I'm just going to be going on the outer part of my eye, kind of to add a little bit of definition. You can honestly totally skip this. I just feel like it makes a big difference on camera. If you're chatting with the girls, doing a little wine night, or you have an interview or whatever, it just kind of helps Next, I'm going in with the Tarte 12 Hour, I don't know how to say that color, but it's 12 Hour blush. It's kind of like a pink color, and I'm going to be going on the apples on my cheeks like this and dusting backwards. Take a little extra. I really do think blush makes a pretty big difference too in just making sure you still look like you have some color into your skin. It's kind of something I always put on, and I kind of blend the rest of my look together with just whatever is left on my brush. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, so that kind of gives you a pretty decent base. Kind of looks a little bit more pulled together. You could fill in your eyebrows, whatever you need to do there. I'm just going to be going in and taking an eyelash curler, and I'm going to be doing mascara. So just curl up your lashes quick. You don't have to curl them if you don't want to. Yeah, so a little curl it up, and then I'm going in with, mine's a Lancôme Monsieur Big Mascara. I'm just going to be putting a little of this on both eyes. So a little mascara. Okay, then for my hair, for this ready in a flash look, I'm just going to be taking a hair tie, pulling it up, and doing a bun. I have pretty dirty hair right now. I was just trying to keep this authentic to running late. So just kind of going to pull it all up into a high ponytail, and then just wrap it around to hide your bed head, and top knot it. And then if you have little side bangs or whatever, you can kind of pull those out and give you a little bit of face framing, kind of tousle your bun too, make sure you're looking cute. This is my hairdo. And then another little tip to make sure you look polished for your interview or wherever you're going on Zoom, just some big hoops. So I'm gonna switch my earrings out for hoops, and that is my complete Zoom look. As I said, like, you can literally do this in 5 minutes, which is what you need sometimes. Okay, so this is my final Zoom look. Super simple, just kind of neatens up, makes it look like, you know, you put a little bit of effort